In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best way to slice bananas as quick as possible. First step, I need to get these bananas peeled. Okay, now that I have my bananas peeled, now you can see the tool in action. This is something that we got on Amazon. I've seen them in the stores as well, but basically, this is a way to slice bananas quickly and in a consistent manner. You can see that it has these little, they're almost like blades, but they're not sharpened. It's just these thin pieces of sheet metal. And you put the banana through the ring and you then push and it slices the banana since these rings are kind of sharp. So I'll show you in action how fast it is. After about 5 or 6 bananas, you just need to rinse it off because it gets kind of slimy and messy. All right, and now I'm done. That took less than 5 minutes. I have consistent cuts for all the bananas. My hands don't hurt. All I did was use that tool and click, 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 and chopped them all up, spread them. It's very fast, especially if you're prepping a lot of bananas to dehydrate them. Well, I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.